Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. With major modifications to suit the practicality and aesthetics of a mobile home, the outside of the 2026 Volkswagen Crafter Motorhome is probably going to be an extension of the existing Crafter design. Naturally, the Volkswagen Crafter business vehicle will continue to serve as the foundation. To optimize internal space, this entails keeping an effective boxy design. In order to increase living space, the majority of Crafter motorhome models will probably have a higher roof and a longer wheelbase. With a connecting window or pass-through design, the driver's cabin and the rear living space will blend together effortlessly. Large windows will be included as standard to provide occupants vistas and natural light. The living space will be accessed mostly through large Crafter folding doors. For convenience, either manual or electric steps will probably be installed. Effective and multipurpose use of space will be emphasized in the interior design. The dining table may be folded or concealed, and the seating area can be made into a bed. Typically, it has a stove, typically 2 or 3 burners, sink, small or medium refrigerator, and room to store food and cooking supplies. A fixed double bed in the back, an alcove bed that folds down over the driver's cabin, or a bed made out of the sitting area are the available sleeping arrangements. Storage is frequently available on top of the cabin or behind the bed. An integrated infotainment system with a touchscreen, navigation, and smartphone connectivity could be included with some models. There will be USB ports and 12 volts, 220 volts power outlets for electronic device charging, centralized control panel for heater, battery power, water level, and other system monitoring and management. Comfort in a variety of weather situations will be guaranteed by an optional heating and cooling system. Maintaining the cabin's temperature and lowering noise levels may be achieved with well-insulated walls, floors, and roofs. For the 2026 Crafter motorhome, Volkswagen is probably going to keep selling the 2.0-liter turbocharged direct injection TDI diesel engine. Depending on the size and layout of the motorhome, this engine will probably be available in a variety of power and torque levels. The expected range of power is 100 to PS 75 kilowatts to 177 PS 130 kilowatts. The expected range of torque is 300 Newton meters to 410 Newton meters. Options for transmissions: most likely, the basic choice will continue to be a 6-speed manual. It's expected that an 8-speed automatic will be an option, particularly for comfortable long-distance driving. For the majority of cars, front-wheel drive FWD will probably be standard. For improved grip and capabilities in a range of driving conditions, all-wheel drive for motion will probably be an option.